Hey there, welcome back to Blender. In this lecture, we are going to learn about the Windows modes in Blender. The 3D window by default is open in object mode. You will see this is the window header. By clicking on the drop-down selection menu, we will be able to select one of other modes. We can see the edit mode, sculpt mode, vertex mode, weight paint and the texture paint. Object mode and edit mode are the two important modes in Blender. At this stage, we will be concentrating mostly on the edit mode. Object mode allows us to move, rotate and scale an object, whereas the edit mode allows us to make changes in the shape of object. To change between the two modes, you can just select the mode from this drop-down menu and we have come to edit mode. To come back to object mode, go to the same drop-down menu and select object mode. Now again, while creating interesting objects in Blender, we will have to make use of these modes again and again. That is, we have to go back to object mode, then edit, and again the same thing gets repeated. So I recommend you to use the shortcut, that is, press tab to jump from object mode to edit mode and from edit mode to object mode. We will be going in the detail of these two modes in the coming section.